If you just got back from the beach, from hiking, biking, or road tripping, and your gear is covered in sand or worse, you need a RinseKit Pro, a portable pressurized battery-powered shower and sprayer that gives you cleanup power anywhere. Now you can rinse like a pro with no hookups, no gravity, no fuss. This is something you gotta get. Welcome to another dude-approved review with me, Wild, where a few minutes can save you a few bucks. Now let's dive into the RinseKit. The RinseKit Pro is my new favorite toy that I take to the beach or whenever I do one of my travel hikes. I just absolutely love this thing. Now it's battery powered. It has a built-in 12-volt battery that delivers a smooth, high-pressure spray. Just fill and press the button and spray. That's it. That's why I love this thing so much. It's so easy to use. I'm honestly amazed at how long this thing lasts. I've been using it so many times and I've only had to charge it once. Can you believe that? Plus you get multiple spray modes. The RinseKit Pro has 5 different nozzle settings: jet, mist, center, flat, and shower for cleaning gear, washing your hands, or rinsing pets. On center spray mode, you get up to 50 PSI, which is more than enough to rinse off mud, dirt, sand, and snow. The RinseKit Pro is really easy to fill, actually. You just open it up and pour in your water, that's it. But a nice thing to know is the fact that it can handle warm water or cool water, so it's perfect for when you have to warm up or cool down. Now the RinseKit Pro is roughly the size of a small cooler, equipped with a sturdy handle, as you can see here, and a tough outer shell. It's designed for long road trips or the trail for basically anything outdoors like camping. Now you do need to know when this thing is full of water, it will weigh roughly around 42 pounds. So keep that in mind. You do have to have some muscle if you want to lift this bad boy right here. Now, if you've got money to burn or you're really into camping or RVing, you might want to look into the RinseKit Cube model, which allows you to charge and run external devices or small accessories, which can be really nice for all-day outdoor adventures. The RinseKit Pro comes in around a hefty $250, and the RinseKit Cube comes in right around $325. In all honesty, that is expensive in my opinion. But if you're an avid beachgoer or outdoorsman, you know, it's actually totally worth it. But here's a tip. They sometimes go on sale. I actually got mine right here at Costco for only, get this, 120 bucks. And I absolutely love it. One of the best purchases I've ever made. If you can snag it for under 150 bucks, I would say totally go for it. And you know what? I did my best and I put down in the video description links that'll take you to the best place that you can buy it for when it's on sale. So that way you can snag that deal. Just to let you know, those links do help me out, so thank you very much. So whether you camp, surf, bike, or roam the van lifestyle, a RinseKit Pro gives you pressurized water anywhere, anytime, with no hassle and no hookups. It's something that I think every adventure should have. Now, I think the RinseKit is the best, but if you want something that delivers more PSIs, I actually have a video on something that I recommend you take a look at. I think the RinseKit is better, but trust me, if you need power, you might want to check out that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next 1UP review.